FCE Exam Tip 16. How to write a letter or an email. Before writing a letter, please consider whom you are writing to, and the purpose of the letter. A complaint, formal. A suggestion, formal. Advice, informal. An application, formal. An inquiry, formal. Asking questions, informal. A personal catch-up, informal. Good wishes, informal. Congratulations, formal. General tips for a successful writing piece. Check you are using the right tone, formal or informal. Make sure that you include all the information that you have been asked to cover. Ensure that you're completing the task based on the requirements. Proofread your work to remove any typos or other mistakes before submitting your work. What is the difference between an informal and a formal letter? Informal letter. Generally between two people that know each other quite well. The tone is similar to a conversation, with numerous questions being asked, showing interest. The use of emotions, enthusiastic tone, and a lot of information being shared. Formal letter. More of a professional or non-personal exchange. Both people don't know each other that well or aren't on a first-name basis. Informal letter. Form. You can use contracted forms. I'm, aren't. Greetings, salutations, hello, hi, dear plus recipient's first name. Formal letter. Form. You must not use contractions. Greetings, salutations. Dear Madame, dear Sir, dear Miss, dear Mr., dear Ms. Informal letter. Standard openings. How are you? I hope you are well. How have you been lately? How are things? How are you doing? Thank you for your last letter. I was actually quite surprised to hear that. Do forgive me for not writing sooner. I am sorry I haven't been in touch lately. It's been ages since we last spoke. Formal letter. Standard openings. I am writing in response to your ad, article, letter. I am writing with regard to. I am writing on behalf of. I am writing regarding. Informal letter. Receiving information. That is great news about. I am so glad to hear that. I am truly sorry to hear that. Formal letter. Receiving information. I am writing to thank you for the information you provided me with. Informal letter. Giving information. You will never believe what, that. Another thing I would like to mention is, I thought you might be interested in knowing, to hear about, to know that. By the way, did you know that? Formal letter. Giving information. I am writing in order to inform you that. Informal letter. Apologies. I'm writing to apologize for. I hope you can forgive me for. I'm really sorry that. Complaints. I'm writing to let you know that I am not very happy with the. Formal letter. Apologies. I would like to express my sincere apologies. Complaints. I am writing in order to complain about. I am writing to complain about. Informal letter. Closing. Keep in touch. I look forward to hearing from you. Write to me soon. Formal letter. Closing. Yours sincerely, if you know the person's name. Yours faithfully, if you don't know the person's name. I look forward to receiving your reply. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to your reply.